Hey, what's up guys, this is Rakesh and I'm back with another video. This is the unboxing of the Vivo V9 Youth Edition guys. Let's see what's written in the box. This phone comes with a 19:9 full aspect ratio display, and this phone comes with a dual rear camera, and this phone has a 16MP front camera, and this phone comes with a 4GB RAM guys. Let's unbox it and see what it has. Let me grab a knife and cut this tape over here. At the top you got the handset guys. Let's keep this aside for now and see what else do we get in the box. You got some packet over here. Let's see what do we get. You got the important information and warranty card and the quick start guide. And you got a regular cable guys, regular USB charger. And you got a regular USB cable for charging and data transfer. And you got an earphone guys. It looks similar to the Apple AirPods. So let's check out the handset guys. So let's switch on the phone and see what it has. While the time it boots up, let's go through the spec. This phone has a 19:9 full aspect ratio display and a dual camera setup at the back and a fingerprint reader guys. It placed at the nice position, and this phone has a volume power button at the side and a volume rocker above the power button. At the bottom you got the regular USB port, a 3.5 headphone jack and a single down-firing speaker guys. And you got a front earpiece guys. So let's see the fingerprint reader speed guys. The fingerprint speed was just amazing guys. It is so speed guys. So let's check out the audio quality of this phone guys. Let me just play some music. This phone has a single down-firing speaker guys. Let's check them. The audio quality was amazing guys. The distraction was less even at max value. So let's check out the video. Now let's check out the display quality guys. Let me just play some video and show you the display quality of this phone guys. This is a 4K video guys. Wow, the video quality was just amazing guys. The display is nice guys. The white balance was good and the colors was rich and fancy. So let's check out the benchmark result of this phone guys. I have run Geekbench 4 on it. It got a single core score of 775 and a multi-core score of 3911. This is a good score for a phone of this range. So let's check out the available sensors on it. This phone has an accelerometer and a calibrator, magnetor and a wake up secondary and a non-wake up secondary sensor and a fingerprint reader. That's it guys. Now let's check out the camera samples guys. Now let's check out the camera shutter speed guys. The shutter speed was okay, but I would thought the shutter speed was just speed guys, but the shutter speed was just average. So let me just show you the photo samples and the video samples in a moment. These are the video samples I shot with the Vivo V9 Youth Edition guys. The video quality was good. This phone doesn't come with an electronic image stabilization guys, but besides that the video quality was just amazing guys. This is the video that recorded in the low light guys. The the video quality was below average, guys. There were lots of noise in the video, guys. Let's check. You can check them. So that was my review on the Vivo V9 Youth Edition, guys. The phone performs well. It is available in both Flipkart and Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description box down below. That was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.